안녕하세요. Welcome everyone again. So for today, we will have another sentence and this sentence is she listens to music and we will break down this sentence into bite-sized Korean. So to make this sentence simple, we will only use the informal polite form and the grammar pattern is she plus the topic particle nun plus music plus the object particle ul, and finally the present simple tense form of the verb listen. So here is the complete sentence in Korean. 그녀는 음악을 들어요. 그녀는 음악을 들어요. Alright, so let us now break down our sentence. So the first one, we have here our topic noun she, or in Korean it is 그녀, 그녀. The next one, we have the topic noun she plus the topic particle 는. So if we put them together, it is pronounced as 그녀는, 그녀는. So the next one, we have here our object noun music, or in Korean, it is pronounced as 음악, 음악. And now we have here our object noun music plus our object particle ul. So if we put them together, it is pronounced as in Korean, 음악을, 음악을. And finally, here is the present simple tense form of the verb listen, which is pronounced in Korean as 들어요, 들어요. Okay, so let's put it all together once again, our sentence. So in Korean, it is 그녀는 음악을 들어요. 그녀는 음악을 들어요. Alright, and now it's your turn. Thank you very much for listening and see you again on our next videos. 화이팅!